Hi future residents, it's Bernice Retzloff with Foundation Property Management, and today we're on site at a property that we personally did a full renovation on that is now listed for rent. It is a 3-bed, 1-bathroom home in the 38117. Let's take a look. Today we are located at 1704 South Perkins Road in Memphis, Tennessee in the 38117. This is an A-class neighborhood. So with this full renovation that we did, we completely changed the exterior. We did new paint. We added a 1-car garage. It was a carport. This property does have a beautiful parking pad here. You can most likely fit 2 cars here if you have some overflow, and then there is the 1-car garage as well. We have an adorable front porch here. It is covered. Perfect for a few chairs. You can watch the cars go by and just enjoy the fresh air. Let's take a look inside. Welcome home. We are immediately greeted with the living area. Hard surface flooring, well, hardwood flooring in this living area here. Tile in the foyer. We have new paint throughout. New light fixtures as well. We have an updated kitchen. New cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel sink. It is a deep sink. There is also a wood shelf above, perfect for storage. Washer and dryer hookup is in the kitchen here. We do have a vent hood for a stove. Now this is a bit of a tight kitchen, so you could make part of this living area a dining area as well. Continue on our tour. So if you take a right from the living area, you head down the bedroom hall, take a right. We have our first bedroom here. Hardwood flooring in the bedrooms, new paint. You could easily fit a full bed and a dresser in this room here. Continuing down the hall to the very end, take another right. We have the second bedroom. Could also fit a full bed and a dresser in this room as well, with room to spare. Closet for bedroom number 2, that hardwood flooring plus into the bottom. We have wood shelving up top, perfect for storage, and rods to hang your clothes. Across from bedroom 2, we have bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 could also fit a full bed and a dresser. Now these rooms could also fit a queen bed. It would be a little tight, but it could work. Take a look at the closet for this bedroom. Once again, that hardwood flooring plus into the bottom, wood shelving up top, and rods to hang your clothes. Now we're gonna take a look at the backyard. The backyard is always my favorite. Oh, shoot. First we're gonna take a look at the bathroom, then the backyard. So this bathroom is a recently updated bathroom. We put new flooring in here, hard surface flooring, new tub, tile surround in the shower. Now please don't mind the mess. This property does need a clean, and it will be cleaned before you move in. It's just, we just completed renovation, so we're still working on cleaning up. Toilet, we have a 1 sink vanity here. One more quick pan of the bathroom. We will take a look at the linen closet here. That hard surface flooring flows into the bottom, and we have wood shelving up top. Perfect for towels and toiletries. All right, now we're gonna go through the kitchen and take a look at the backyard. Now this is in East Memphis. Just off of the cusp of Colonial Acres is where we're at. brick exterior. We did put a new roof on this property, so it looks very clean. Spacious backyard. It is fenced in, wood fencing. There is a patio area right here. Perfect for some patio furniture. Great for hosting. Now I will say this property is located near shopping and dining, and it's just 5 minutes away from I-240 and State Road 385. Willow Park is a minute away, and Goodwin Park is 2 minutes away. It is in the school district of Willow Oaks Elementary, which is 2 minutes away, Colonial Middle School, which is 3 minutes away, and Overton High School, which is a 6-minute walk from this property. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside the garage. All right, heading into the garage, here is our 1-car garage. Plenty of space for your vehicle. Honestly, I would also put like a shelving rack maybe here, just to store any extra storage that may overflow from the house. But to add on to that, to the right of the garage, there is also a storage space here for any of your lawn care items or, once again, overflow from the house. Now, I did forget to mention that we do have appliance packages if you do need a stove, dishwasher, or washer and dryer.